what's up, welcome back. Alright guys, so this is a cooking video today. We're going by the beach to cook, but we're gonna have to cross by the pond first, saltwater pond. So stay tuned, we're gonna walk through the mangroves and all of that. So it's a whole adventure. And we're also gonna harvest some salt. We're gonna harvest some salt, guys. In previous videos I told you guys that, you know, the pond, the saltwater pond right behind me right here, is known for its salt content, and people have been harvesting salt from this pond from the dawning of time, you know. So I'm gonna harvest some salt, some natural salt also, because I've seen salt over there recently. Also, I see one little crab here, so I'm gonna show you. Stay tuned guys, one love, big up. Alright guys, so we're going through the mangroves now. Yeah guys, so as I was saying before, this is a cooking video. I'm trying to keep the tripod as still as possible. And this segment of the video is me on my way to the cooking spot. I'm going to cook by the beach today guys. Found a nice beach spot yesterday. Perfect for cooking and holding a little nice vibe. Alright guys, yeah, OK TV is known for outdoor cooking and nature stuff. This is what we do, find hidden gems in Jamaica, visit the untouched nature spots, and we bring it to you guys. Alright, that's a mountain witch guys. The bird there, him just fly. They are not, you know, mountain witches are not known to be on the flat, you know. I don't know, a lot of birds that are known to be in the hills have been venturing down to the flats. So we know the mangroves now. These little ponds that you see right here is a Artima shrimp project that, you know, the government was carrying out and thing. I think some students from university did study some Artima shrimp and thing so. And guys, fish in the water here to here. Fish is in the waters. As simple as you see it. Cause sometimes the pond overflow. Well, I soon show all of that. Yeah. So this is the mangroves guys. This is how it looks. This is how it always look. With the prop root system. Prop rooting system and thing. You know, so I think mangroves are actually beautiful guys. I think I'm one of the only people in the world that love mangrove and swampy lands. You know, they just have this creepy, weird, you know, nice vibe. Don't even know if I'm making sense, but that's what I get from it. Creepy, weird. Not a lot of people would want to come through places like this, I'm telling you. The average person's scared. Worse if I by themselves. You know, maybe they would have come in a group, but by themselves, they would have think all 50 times before they try. So guys, there is no danger in nature. Humans were made for nature, you know. If you're afraid of nature, boy, you're afraid of God. And you're afraid of yourself too. Alright guys, it's gonna be a little walk, you know guys, I'm not lying. Not even a hole, you. Alright guys, so I approach the place so I find most of the salt the other day. Alright, this is another salt pocket right here, but the salt is very dried up right here. So harvest my salt from right here. This is kinda dry, you know, a little drier than I prefer, but that work. I'm late to the salt party. Alright guys, so I'm harvesting from this side. Alright guys, I'm not taking no more of that salt here. It's kinda hard to harvest. This is just for video purposes to show you guys. It's kinda hard guys, you have to wait until the rain falls to soften it up. It's very tough, very crystallized. So most of them just stay like this in chunks. But me get half cup, me not do bad. Alright guys, welcome. I finally reached the sea. And your boy is tired. But before I'm actually going to the water, I have to go set up the pot and stuff. So I'm going to actually cook first. Yeah. Alright guys, this is black sand beach, so because it's black sand beach, you can't really see the bottom of the water so clear, you know, like the previous video. While me I talk right now, I'm just taking a breather, you know guys, because I'm tired. I just walk like maybe a mile or more, carrying these bags. Look here, look at my load. So I was carrying that backpack and the green bag. The whole journey, and the backpack having the pots and the green bag having the coal, and yeah. And I was carrying water also, fresh water to cook with. Stay tuned my people, stay tuned. I'm out here doing it for you guys. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and give us a follow on TikTok also, and all the other social media platforms. YouTube, TikTok, Insta, you know. Alright guys, I'm here I try to do the coal stove. Yeah, rough guys, no trouble. So hard. Fire give me a trouble. Story of my life. No, never really that easy, but boy, in a life you find your strength. When all you have is hard times, well most times, you know, you become a stronger person, guys. So you have to give thanks for your hard times in our life. Give thanks for the rough times. You see that without hard times, you would have remained weak. And another thing, guys, I want to share with you. Life is not gonna get easy. You know, the average person normally, you know, relax and think that your life will go over time get easy. But the more you relax, the weaker you become. You know. So you have to get stronger. You have to get stronger for life to get easier. Life is not gonna start and get easier. If you remain weak, life is always going to be hard for you. But if you go with the roll with the punches and get stronger and more resilient, life eventually gets easy. And I think that is the common, you know, just the common purpose of every living thing. To actually get stronger, become the best version of yourself in this lifetime. You know? Don't always look for easy life, guys. Even easy life cripple you, man. Life's supposed to have little challenges in life. You know, if you love easy life too much, I like the ego like easy things, you know. But nature, the higher self, God, the godly force is gonna bring a challenge all the time, because we grow with challenges, you know. And the godly force deals with growth, you know. The ungodly force deals with stagnation and this type of thing. You know, so don't kill yourself, don't cripple yourself always looking for the easy way out of things. Sometimes we have to wait, sometimes things that will take a little longer to manifest. You know, but focus on your own journey. When you have focus on your own journey, you don't have time to watch other people's things and compare and contrast. And that's going to make you sad. Just focus on your own little lane, man, and stay in your own little lane. That's how you go happy and you know, reach where you are. I can't really do it, but I use this to block with the cold stove from the breeze. That's the only problem with cooking by the seaside. The breeze will get to you, you know. But once it light, it will catch, you know. Once I get it to light, it's good. So I can't get it to light. Alright guys, the fire finally catch. Oh lord, after 50 million attempts. Guys, I was trying to light this fire for like maybe an hour or maybe an hour and a half, swear. Finally catch. These one feel. Oh well, we're gonna start the cooking right about now, so stay tuned. Alright guys, I wash out the butter now. Dumpling gonna go on. Dumpling and sweet potato gonna go on first. Started. My flour, I made the flour from over yard. I made the flour from home. See the flour here. I'm gonna make it up in there now. This is my meat kind of I'm gonna cook. So the meal of the day today guys is red herring. It's a red herring I have. Red herring with boiled dumpling and sweet potato. First thing I'm gonna do is boil the dumpling them This is my fresh water I bring from over my house. Fresh water, boiled dumpling them, you know. You get some, you harvest some salt along the pan side. So yeah, let's get into the cooking, guys. Let's get straight into it. Anyways, guys, the fire is almost done, and it's almost time to start the cooking. Your favorite part of the video, outdoor cooking by the beach. Put salt on my harvest from the pan. Oh yes, the sweet potato. I'm gonna peel them. I'm gonna peel the sweet potatoes right now, guys. Faith and patience is the hard of the day. Why? Nothing happened before the time. Nothing can happen before it's supposed to happen. I spent a whole hour and a half trying to catch a fire. I try with everything. I try plastic buckles, plastic bag, this, that. Put the fire light. And I just take a deep breath and wait. Spend a little time and look at the sea. You know, I just pause it and leave it alone for a while. Just start to shift my attention to something else and start come to a calm. And then we go back to it, you know. Guys, maybe that's a life, but you know, well, not maybe. I have realized that things in life work same like this. Like if you're working on a project and it has stress you out too much and it requires too much energy at the time, sometimes just leave it for a little while, man, and break and go do something else and then return to it. You know, probably that's not the time. In life, no matter how hard you try to do something, if it's not the time for it manifest, it's just not going to manifest. You know, so you have to learn more patience and you have to be observant in life. You know, have good observation skills as a human being, to realize patterns and cycles and them type of thing there. You know, sometimes life just require you to wait a little longer and like, you know, not because it's something don't work out one time means it's not going to ever work out. Not because you don't see something work out initially means that it will never happen or oh it's the wrong thing you have to do. No, sir. Life has shown me that sometimes I just little effort life wants you from your life, just want you push a little harder, you know? So I just say go. You have to have a lot of faith. Have faith in yourself and have faith in God. Have faith in yourself and your own abilities, man. That's faith in Jah also, faith in yourself, you know? If you don't have any faith in yourself, you can't have no faith in Jah. So I just trust and patience and them ride hand in hand, guys. Them walk together. Trust and patience walk together. But the fact is, if you don't trust, you will naturally be anxious. You will always be anxious if you don't trust. But if you trust, you will naturally be patient, you know? Yeah, man. So trust and patience work together. Jamaican sweet potato, guys. Also, I make a pudding the other day. And if you want pudding for order, if you're in Jamaica or overseas and want for order pudding, we can definitely sell you some pudding. And if you're overseas and want it, I work with a girl who have an online business, so she can actually ship it overseas for you if you want it that way there. It's just gonna be more money. You know, naturally it's gonna be more because it's going overseas. But if you're local and want a pudding, definitely link me. It no matter where it is in Jamaica, we use nuts for the express. So whether you're there at St. Elizabeth or anywhere there, you know, I can get the pudding to you. So definitely check it out. I can bake cornmeal pudding and also sweet potato pudding. Also, guys, don't forget the donation. Support Roque TV by becoming a Patreon, by dropping a random donation through Cashapp or PayPal, and also by liking and subscribing. But you know, donations help. We need money to actually fund the voyages, to actually cook food and all them type of things. So any type of support is appreciated. We have GoFundMe also, so check out all of the links. They are going in the description below. Now one of the kind of rotten one. Rotten, it's almost rotten. I like about sweet potato, you know, they're rotten quick enough. If you don't use them fast, they're rotten fast. They're rot. But it's not bad. Most side good. Don't really eat a lot of food. I love food, but I can't eat enough food again. Look like I get old. And I have a back problem with, I don't know, but ever since I have the back problem, I can't really eat all of food. Like my metabolism slow down. I lose weight very slowly too. Guys, I would have never understand the way I eat for my weight. I don't eat a lot. They still look like me eat a lot. Alright, so the sweet potato them done cut up. I'm gonna put the pot on the stove. I'm gonna throw this inside now. Alright guys, so the sweet potato them in the pot and go and do the thing. I'll cover the pot now. They're boiled up. Cutting up the vegetables now guys. The seasonings like the onion, tomato, and pepper, thyme, scallion, and I bought some retail ketchup. I didn't get any tomatoes from the shop, so I buy some retail ketchup. And also add like a flavor to the redering. Because it kinda needs tomato guys. Redering need tomato, but the shop didn't have any, so I have to just improvise. So ketchup can use. Alright guys, so we have a redering. This is how we are going to cook. I'm going to mince it up and cook it down with the veggies. But it comes salted, it comes cured, so we have to wash off most of the salt off it. I already washed it off from home, but I just like it a next wash again. There's some little ketchup here, my retail ketchup I'm going to buy. Alright guys, now we'll cover it and now make it spring some water. Sweet potato. As I said guys, I don't really eat enough. Some people they eat 3-4 times for the day. Most time I 1 time I eat for the day. The food here. That's how it looks. I'm gonna have it on camera. Let's go. Moment at food. Taste how the food come out.